of a feather. Say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar.
Are you seriously gonna blame me for something that everybody else did too? You didn't even know him. You don't even know what people are like before they abstract. They are not pleasant to be around. Like at all.
What would you do if I abstracted tomorrow?
I'd move on. We forget about
Why didn't you fight back?
Here we go. Here we go. Because I didn't fight back, that means I secretly care about you? I do not care about you or anyone else in this circus in the slightest. End of story.
Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away